Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to make your AI character sing using Hedra AI. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. First, just open your browser and then type in Hedra AI and log in with your Google account like this. And the cool thing is Hedra AI will give you a free plan with 3 credits every month like this, which is already plenty to explore. And of course, if you need more, you can always upgrade later. Alright, let's start. Just go to video generator, this one. Just click on it. And then here you can add your character in 3 ways. Just click on start frame. And then you can upload your image or your photo from your device. Or just snap a real-time photo with your camera. Or even you can also generate a new character directly in Hedra AI. And for this tutorial, I will keep it simple and just upload a picture from my device. And next we will add the scripts. Just tap on the audio scripts. And then Hedra will let you choose. You can upload your music from your device or just record your own voice or even just type out text to generate an audio. And in this tutorial, I will upload music from my device. And here you can also add a AI filter to your music, like remove background noise or just use a AI voice changer. I just tap on choose voice and then just choose your voice that you like this. And next, to make the character look more alive, you can add an optional prompt that describes the emotions and gesture of your character. And for example, I will type like this. Maybe like this. And then you can also click on inspire me to make your prompt more better. And then just choose your model, video model. But for free user, you can only use character 3 like this. Then just choose your aspect ratio that you want. In this tutorial, I will use 9:16. And then choose your resolutions. And then choose your durations if needed. And after that, just click on generate. And okay, let's play the video. Okay, like this. The lip sync might not be 100% perfect, but honestly, it still looks really good and pretty fun to watch. And so that's how you can bring your AI characters to life and make them sing with Hedra AI. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!